Let me show you how to force restart a stuck or frozen iPhone. Now, if your iPhone screen is not responding, you can always force restart it. It always fixes that issue. I'll show you how to do it, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, if your iPhone screen is stuck or frozen and you can't manipulate it, you can't open up apps, the easiest way to get it fixed is a force restart. To force restart your phone, you're going to quickly press the volume up, quickly press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see the Apple logo appear. So I'll walk you through those steps. So volume up, volume down, and then press and hold. Now I want to continue to press and hold even when it says slide to power off. I wanted to wait until the phone screen goes completely black and I'm still holding that side button. I'm going to hold it until I see the Apple logo. When I see the Apple logo, I'm going to lift my finger up, and this has force restarted this entire iPhone. A lot of times this fixes bugs and glitches on your phone, and it will go through the process of rebooting. Now, after it does reboot, all you need to do is open it up normally by unlocking it, and it will work normal at that point. Again, this fixes tons of bugs and glitches.